everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you how to increase daily spending limit for Facebook ad accounts. In the previous video, I showed you how to increase your payment threshold. Next, I will show you how to increase your daily spending limit so we can manage our cash flow more easily. As you can see, with my current spending limit, I can't significantly increase the daily budget for a product that's already performing well. Please go to the comments or description to access the link to the extension. Next, download the extension. Next, go to your browser's extension manager. Once in the extension manager, enable developer mode. Next, open the file you just downloaded. Right-click on the extension and select WinRAR, then select Extract here. Wait a moment, a utility file and a file containing the text I have prepared for you will appear. Add extension to browser as in video. Now open the extension. You can see the extension is linked to Facebook Appeals category. Step 1. Enter your FB Ads account ID in the first box. Next, enter your FB ID or link in the second box. Step 3. Enter your suggested daily spending limit. Noting that you should only enter 2 to 3 times your initial daily spending limit. In Step 4, enter your business portfolio ID. If the account does not belong to BM, enter Ad account belongs to individual. Note, if the account belongs to BM, you must be an administrator of BM. In Step 5, paste the text I have prepared for you. Note, edit according to your information. Finally, please attach screenshots of at least 5 of your most recent payment transactions on your account. Please note that Facebook will use this information to consider increasing your account's daily spending limit. Click Send. Now, wait about 2 to 3 hours. Then return to your ad account and you should see that your account's daily spending limit has been successfully increased. Note, if it still doesn't work, please try again after 1 hour. The process should be successful. During this time, please do not use other extensions to avoid conflicts. As you can see, my daily spending limit on my account has been successfully increased. Master the Meta's video tutorial on how to increase daily spending limit for Facebook ad accounts.